Ukrainians, they all live in villages with chickens and old wooden houses like this, yeah? Well, some do, like right here, but here's what most people don't know. 70% of Ukrainians live in cities, not villages. Modern cities with tech hubs, startups, universities, and yes, even good coffee, cappuccino, flat white, and different other tastes. My name is Ivan Zayets, and today I'm gonna show you 3 things about urban Ukraine that will probably surprise you. And small disclaimer, this is not a tourism ad, this is myth-busting based on facts. Let's go! Okay, let me give you some numbers. Ukraine's population about 37 million people before 2022. 70% people live in urban area, that's over 25 million people in cities. And only 30% live in rural areas, villages and countrysides. For context and for your understanding, that's a higher urbanization rate than Poland, Greece or Romania. Also, we have 5 cities with over 1 million people there. First of all, that's Kyiv, 3 million, Kharkiv, 1.4 million, Odessa, 1 million, Dnipro, 1 million, Donetsk, 1 million, but it was before the war. And I suppose that now a lot of people live in Lviv because they decided to go there when the war started. Plus dozens of cities with population over 100,000. Also, I live in an apartment like this in Kyiv, not a village, not a farmhouse, just a regular city apartment where millions of Ukrainians live. By the way, check this video about modern apartments in Ukraine that I filmed before. Don't miss it, it's quite interesting. So where did this village stereotype came from? Simple, old Soviet imagery and lack of modern media coverage. But the reality, Ukraine is one of the most urbanized countries in Eastern Europe. Now let me show you what the cities actually looks like. This is Unit.City, Ukraine's largest innovation park right here in Kyiv. It's home to over 150 tech companies, startups and educational institutions. Samsung, Bolt, Ajax, American University, Forbes, MBI Development, they all have offices or R&D centers here in Ukraine, in Kyiv. Ukraine, by the way, is actually one of the largest IT outsourcing hubs in Europe. We have over 200,000 IT professionals, and Kyiv alone has more than 100,000 software developers. That's more than in Berlin or Amsterdam. Companies like Grammarly, Ukrainian founders, GitLab, co-founded by a Ukrainian, WhatsApp, one of the co-founders is Ukrainian. Ukraine ranks in the top 10 globally for tech talent and engineering education, first of all. So now you may see that its Unit.City is one of the biggest hubs in Europe and maybe in Ukraine also. So here is a lot of co-workings, coffee places, that is modern Ukraine looks like. Co-working spaces, startup incubators, innovation labs. Not exactly the village stereotype, right? And it's not just Kyiv. Lviv has a massive tech scene, over 25,000 IT specialists. Kharkiv, by the way, is known for AI and machine learning research. What else? Dnipro has a growing aerospace and software industry. Odessa, huge startup culture, especially in fintech and e-commerce. So yeah, Ukraine is not just farmland. We are building some of the software you probably use every day. But at first, quick reminder. Now on my channel is approximately 100-150 subscribers, but for every 1,000 followers, I'll go 100 kilometers further from Kyiv to show you real Ukraine, how we live, our cities, villages, our maybe different people all around Ukraine, because my country is so big. So thank you for following. me. Thank you for watching this video. So why do people think all Ukrainians live in villages? A few reasons. One, Soviet-era imagery. For decades, Western media showed Ukraine as rural, agricultural, the breadbasket of the Soviet Union. That imagery stuck. Two, lack of modern media coverage. Before 2022, most international media ignored Ukraine entirely. When they did cover us, it was usually economic struggles or political corruption, not thriving tech hubs or vibrant cities. Three, Russian propaganda. As always, Russia has spent years portraying Ukraine as backwards, rural, and dependent on Russia. It fit their narrative that we are not a real country, but the facts tell a different story. How to say, Ukraine is 70% urbanized, a major tech hubs with 200,000 plus IT professionals, home to modern cities with universities, culture and innovations. We are not a countryside stuck in the past. We are a modern European nation with a strong urban culture. Now you know all about this situation. Also, sitting here in the front of this building, it's different buildings with great design, great modern European design. So let's recap. 70% of Ukrainians live in cities, not villages. Ukraine has over 200,000 IT professionals and it's a major European tech hub. Cities like Kyiv, Lviv, Odessa and Dnipro are modern, vibrant and full of life. What about this village stereotype? Outdated Soviet imagery. Ukraine isn't stuck in the past. We are building the future. There aren't opinions, there are facts. If this surprised you, hit that like and subscribe to this channel. Every 1,000 subscribers, I travel 100 kilometers further from Kyiv to show you more of real, time to time, rural Ukraine. My name is Ivan Zayets. Побачимось!